Ayan, Sophia playing in the snow, guys. Ayan.
Do you think I could hit this? Ow!
Last month pa yan, guys, yung snow. Ayan. Ito na lang yung natira. Galing yan sa taas, guys. Sa bubong namin. So, ayan. Ayan yung harap namin. Ayan.
Game over.
Yun yung aking mga moms. Ayun, no?
Could be game over, right, Mom?
Yup.
Game over.
Careful up. Ayan, pellet. Yan yung sa green, guys. Pellet yan. Ginagamit namin sa loob ng bahay. Ayan. Pellet yan sa loob. Tinakpan ko siya yan. Hinakot ko yun ng isang araw, guys. Ayan, Sophia. Happy New Year, everyone! May mga parating pa na snow, guys. Kasi yung snow dito hanggang March pa. Minsan pag April, nag-i-snow pa dito sa amin. So yan, January 1st, 2025. Ayan, Sophia, guys. Umuulan. Hindi naman masyadong ulan. Yung parang konti lang yung buhos ng ulan. Ayan, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Asilana and Sophia vlog. Ayun, Sophia, guys.
My iceberg away is on the 2-part, right, Mom?
Yup.
Right, Mom. Let's make the 2-part. Okay.